Okay guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon, and in this video I want to teach you a very powerful ICT setup which some of you may not know and some of you that know it may not understand. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the bell notification, and my group link, my Telegram, my WhatsApp group will be the video description, so make sure you join so that you can get our daily setup and join other interesting traders that you can benefit from. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump straight to the topic of today. Now, the name of this structure of this setup is called Thank God It's Friday, that is TGIF. Now, this setup always happens on the last day of the week, which is usually Friday. Now, this candle you are actually looking at now, this is on the weekly candle. Okay, this is on the weekly candle where you see the low of the week, the open, the low of the week, the market say buy to make the high of the week, and this is what you are trading. We are trading on this zone, this very zone that I'm about to mark out. Okay, this is what you are trading. You are trading this from here to this zone here. This is what you are capitalizing on, that if the market is actually buying. And you know, the day you have this kind of, the week you have this kind of market is when the market is very bullish or very bearish, especially if it has broken an all-time high, or it has broken the high of the year, the low of the year, or stuff like that. That's when you have this rally straight up, you know, giving you probably a rally based rally. So there's never a drop. It's just rally based rally or drop based drop. If you know what I mean, you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so we're going to go straight to the chart and look at how it happens. So let's say the market is very bearish. Also, you also get something like this. You get your open, the market make the high of the week, then it drops. Okay, once it drops, you have that setup on Friday where you can now trade it and make profit. Now, you may be confused where to take your profit. Usually for currency pair, this buy may not be, let's say you are trading it, the market actually is selling and you are buying it, you may not get more than 50 pips. Okay, especially in a strong market, especially in a very bearish market. Now, in a bullish market, you may not get more than 50 to 60 pips in currency pair. But if you are trading something like indices, let me be like SP500 or on gold, you may get over 100 pips retracement, and that retracement may give you up to 30% of the total rally or drop of the week. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to the chart and see how it's being traded. Okay, I'm not going to cancel all this, so you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. So let's jump straight to the chart. Okay, so let's use GBP as an example. So you can see these interesting this interesting thing I'm having on my chart, where it actually label everything, the day of the week, and it's label everything for you, trying to know when is Wednesday, when is Tuesday, and all of that. So if you are interested to get something like this indicator, you can message me on my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group. I will give you, and it's not going to cost you anything. Okay, so let's jump straight to where we came from. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So you can see presently that we actually broke out of this recent high. Okay, market actually broke from this zone. Okay, and you have your rally all through the week. Okay, you have your rally all through the week. Now, if you come to the daily time frame, you see that out of this whole rally, after the broke, we have how many days count? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last day of the week gave us that setup, which is Thank God It's Friday. So I'm going to jump to the 1 hour time frame to see how it was and what is the level of retracement. Like I told you, this indicator actually helps us to give the name or the day of the week, and you can see till Friday, so Monday to Friday. So if we are going to trade this market, we don't need any more trades. All we have to do is just wait for some confirmation on Monday and we'll trade it. So look at it, the market open here and it's drop, make the low of the week, then it rally, it make the high of the week, you know, make the high of the week, and you have your drop. That is Friday. So we are going to check how many pip is this. Let's check how many pip is this drop. It may not be more than 50 or let me see, so that is about 45 pips. Okay, and you can see the market to present date, we are still dropping. So you can see this indicator has already printed that today is Wednesday. So I'm making this video midnight 12 plus Wednesday. Okay, so that's how you trade this setup. So let's look at this setup on gold. Let's look at it on gold. So this is on gold. So you see this is Monday. So let's count after me. So the market opens, then make the low of the week, then rally up to Friday, make the high of the week, and then you have this your setup, and after that you have your drop. Obviously this is just a base, and after that you get your rally because the market is very, very bullish. Okay, so that's just so what we are just capitalizing on is this. If you check the pips, how many pips this give you, this give you just for currency pair, I told you it's over, for mentals and all of that, I gave this over 100 pips. Okay, so if you are still going to back test it, let's say we want to back test this, you will also get it. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at Euro. We're still going to test it on other days. So this is not just a setup that happens once a blue moon, and it happens, obviously it happens once a blue moon when there is a strong rally. So for Euro USD, let's do the counting again. So we have it on Monday. We have our low on Monday. Market opens, market made the low of the week, then it rises to Friday, and you have your what? You have your drop. And if you check this should be around 40 pips thereabouts, and this is just a base. This is just a base. Obviously market is still going to rally higher to some level, then before we start getting a drop to the zone that we are back to. I'm not analyzing the market. Okay, so join my group if you are interested to see how we trade the market in a simple way. We don't stress ourselves too much in my group. If you're interested, so let's just back test this. For example, let's go to daily time frame. Let's look at this. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this zone. Okay, let's look at this when the market actually broke this high. Let's see if we have that kind of reaction. So we're going to go back. That's 1 hour time frame. We're going to go back and see. Okay, so after starting from Monday. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to end it at this junction. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us for more interesting videos. Okay, so like I said, look at this very market. For example, you can see our market make the low and all of that. I don't know why this thing is doing anyhow, but thank you and have a blessed day. Okay.